Hi, my name is Kimber Gandy, and this is my presentation on autonomous driving in China. What is autonomous driving? Autonomous driving refers to vehicles that use artificial intelligence, sensors, and software to navigate and operate without human intervention. Operating entirely without human involvement, these vehicles can safely navigate public roads, manage complex traffic variables, and achieve complete autonomy. This technology resolves critical business problems by slashing operating costs and addressing severe commercial driver shortages in China's logistics sector. It also minimizes costly human error and unlocks revenue through commercial robotaxi and autonomous delivery fleets. Who is using autonomous driving? In China, the technology is heavily adopted by tech conglomerates, ride sharing networks, logistics companies, and public transit operators. Commuters and major urban centers are increasingly utilizing autonomous robotaxis and driverless minibuses for daily travel. This shift has created advanced career opportunities in AI safety operations, autonomous fleet management, and remote data auditing over traditional driving roles. Some potential users of autonomous driving in China include the aging urban population and local governments for public utility roles. Where are they using autonomous driving? In China, the cities of Wuhan, Shanghai, and Shenzhen serve as the premier testing grounds and commercial launch pads for high level autonomous driving. Wuhan operates the world's largest driverless ride sharing network, powered by the Apollo Go fleet. The city utilizes these vehicles to test high density urban navigation and round the clock public transport solutions across extensive municipal districts. Shanghai focuses heavily on multimodal integration, linking autonomous passenger travel with massive industrial logistics. The city has opened many public test roads, deploying smart heavy duty trucks at Yangshan Port and launching the nation's first autonomous lines. Finally, Shenzhen uses unique local legislation to pioneer fully driverless testing, deploying commercial robotaxis and e-commerce delivery bots directly into high-traffic downtown zones. SWOT analysis of Baidu Apollo. China's leading autonomous driving network highlights the strategic motives behind its massive operations. Its main strength is a massive built-in AI infrastructure and a track record of over 11 million completed rides through its Apollo Go robotaxi service. However, its biggest weakness is the heavy strain on profit margins caused by spending billions of dollars on continuous research and development. Looking ahead, there are huge opportunities to scale through global fleet partnerships and plug directly into China's booming electrical vehicle network. However, the company faces real threats from domestic competition and supply chain issues caused by strict international microchip regulations. When are they using autonomous driving? China is quickly moving toward the mass adoption of autonomous driving, transitioning from localized trials to widespread commercial use. Consumers are highly enthusiastic, with a massive percentage of new buyers now expecting advanced intelligent driving features as a standard when purchasing a vehicle. Combined with government support and massive investments in infrastructure, autonomous driving is successfully scaling across the country's transportation network. Despite the momentum in China, a few major barriers are holding back mass adoption. The biggest technological barrier is mastering complex driving scenarios, like highly unpredictable traffic behavior and severe weather conditions in dense cities. Additionally, regulatory fragmentation occurring at the municipal level complicates nationwide adoption. Strict international microchip regulations also create ongoing supply chain issues. How to apply autonomous driving for SDD. In China, autonomous driving serves as a powerful tool to advance several United Nations SDGs, particularly SDG 11 and SDG 13, by pairing self-driving fleets directly with the country's massive electrical vehicle infrastructure. The technology optimizes traffic flow and eco-routing, drastically cutting carbon emissions and urban air pollution. Additionally, autonomous commercial vehicles help tackle SDG 8 by stepping in to fill severe labor shortages in the logistics sector. while making roads significantly safer and reducing costly accidents across China's rapidly growing megacities. To wrap up the presentation, I'd like to end with two truths and a lie. Feel free to comment down below which statement you think is the lie and why. For the first statement, Shanghai has integrated autonomous driving into its public transit system by pioneering the nation's first automated bus rapid transit lines. For the second statement, strict international microchip regulations pose a major supply chain threat to Baidu Apollo's growth. And lastly, for the third statement, to address SDG 8, autonomous trucks are replacing human drivers to completely eliminate the need for logistics workers nationwide. Thank you for listening to my presentation on autonomous driving in China.